In this video, I'm going to show you a cool way how to tie your shoelaces. Stay tuned.
Welcome to the Dum Dum Channel. Are you feeling like a dum-dum? It's okay. We're here to help.
So I'm 10 years old and the old way of tying your shoes is super boring, so I'm going to teach you a new way how to do it. First step is you cross the two strands of shoelaces over each other and make it like an X. Then you wrap one under the other and pull. Step 2. Make 2 of your fingers on each hand look like an L. Once your hands are in the L shape, you take your left hand and move it clockwise, under and then up the shoelace. You do the exact opposite with your right hand. Move the pointer finger up and over counterclockwise, like that. At this point, you take your right hand and grab the left shoelace. Then you take your left hand and grab the right shoelace and pull. And there you go. You tied a shoe. Congratulations! You have now learned how to tie your own shoe in a cool way. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe.